My name is Adri, and I will be an instructor for this year's Young Writers Workshop. Something interesting about me that most people don't know is that I don't like to show my feet in public. I played soccer for 11 years, and so now they're kind of beat up, so I like to say that instead of feet, I have socks. If I could be any fictional character, I would be Buttercup from the original Powerpuff Girls because she can shoot lasers from her eyes. She's the least favorite of the Powerpuff Girls, and so I'd like to bring her rep up to a better standard. If I could go anywhere, I would go to the Adriatic Sea in Croatia. It is a dream of mine to swim in the Adriatic Sea, then get a picture of myself in the Adriatic Sea, and then caption it saying, "Adri swimming in the Adriatic Sea." So my favorite food to prepare right now is shrimp pineapple tacos, but I also like making potato soup in the winter and fall.